Creative Digital Indonesia. Present.
Welcome to Creative Digital Indonesia.
In this video, I will share how to create an AI presenter duet like this.
And how to make it more dynamic and more humanistic.
By using the CapCut application, you can be more creative with the AI character feature.
Without spending a lot of money.
Without time limits.
And get amazing video quality up to 4K resolution.
And how to make it.
Follow the instructions step by step.
Watch the video until the end.
And this time, let's try to create an AI presenter with the first character is me, Dom.
And the second character is me, Justin.
Let's go.
Before starting, think about the script for the video first. Then open the CapCut application and create a new project.
Click New Project. Select the photo to use for the background. Drag the background photo to the right to extend the video duration. The first step, create text to voice. Why do this? Because so we can find out the length of the sound of each word's pronunciation from the AI character. Select text and click Add Text. Change the text style first with 0 opacity. Start with the letter A to create a pause in speaking time at the beginning. Shorten the duration and copy the text. And now there are two text layers, where the layer above will be used for the female voice and the layer below it is for male voices. Now, let's make the first sentence for female. And copy the first sentence for male too. Select the text for the female, click Text to Speech, and choose the voice for the female. The default voice for the Dom character is narrative female. Select narrative female. Hi everyone. And select the text and voice for male.
And the default voice of Justin character is energetic male.
Choose energetic male.
Hi everyone.
Next, make a second sentence for the female. Select voice for the female. Don't forget, choose narrative female. How are you? Continue by making a third sentence for the male. Select the voice for male. Don't forget to choose the energetic male.
I hope you are fine and excited.
And drag it down. Continue making the fourth sentence for the female. Select text to speech. Select narrative female. Do you know? Continue making the fifth sentence for the male. Select voice for the male. Select energetic male.
That now you can make videos with an AI presenter duet like this.
Then drag it down. Continue making the sixth sentence for the female. Select the voice for female. Of course, by using the CapCut application, you can do this. Continue making the 7th sentence for the male. Select the voice for male.
Try and be creative with your ideas.
Drag it down. Continue making the 8th sentence for the female, and I will make this the closing sentence spoken together. Copy the text. Select the top layer, and select voice for the female. Let's try. Then select the bottom layer, and select voice for the male.
Let's try.
Give it a little distance, then write the letter A to create a pause at the end. And copy the text. Let's play few seconds.
Hi everyone.
How are you?
I hope you are fine and excited
Do you know?
that now you can make videos with an AI presenter duet like this.
Second step, close the distance between text. Why do this? So that the AI character will not be disjointed. Open it to the right until it meets the next text, in each text that has a wide distance. Remember, only open to the right, don't open to the left. Third step, delete audio. Remove all audio generated from the text. Fourth step, implementation of AI characters. Click on any text, then select AI character. And select the character Dom standing. Hey, good to see you. And at this time it will fail. But don't panic, the solution is, go back to the main CapCut menu. Then reopen the video project. Select text. And click on any text. Then click the AI character again. And select the Dom standing character. Hey, good to see you. This time, check is applied to all text. Wait for the process of implementing the character's AI. Finished, and you will see there are 2 Dom characters here. What you need to do is shift the Dom character on the top layer to the right, and move the Dom character on the bottom layer to the left. Then, change the Dom character on this bottom layer. Select Appearance. And change the character to the Justin standing. But this time, uncheck Apply to All. Wait for the process. And done, now you have 2 AI presenters.
Hey. Hi everyone.
How are you?
I hope you are fine and excited.
Fifth step, delete all text. Use multi-select to highlight all the text. And click delete. Step 7, tidy up the layout. Now cut a little of the front of the AI presenter.
Hey.
Click split. Again. And delete the left part. Shift both presenters to the left. cut a little at the end too. And delete the right part. Also cut out the background. And now you adjust the position of the presenter to make it look more harmonious. You can also add overlays, for example, adding accessories to make it more attractive. And also adjust the background lighting to make it look better. And done. Now you have two AI presenters. You can also add subtitles. Adjust the appearance of the text. And the final step, export the video. And everything is done. Let's see the final result.
Hi everyone.
How are you?
I hope you are fine and excited
Do you know?
that now you can make videos with an AI presenter duet like this.
Of course, by using the CapCut application, you can do this.
Try and be creative with your ideas.
Let's try. That's how to create an AI presenter duet using the CapCut application.
You can make it to make your video more interesting and more creative,
Keep following the Creative Digital Indonesia YouTube channel.
so you can get the next interesting videos.
Don't forget to subscribe
Like and comment.
and share the video.
See you in the next video.
I
I love
you
you
so
so
much.
much.